Hi everyone. Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. In this video, we will show you how to turn off copy-paste on remote desktop connection. This makes it impossible for bad guys to copy external content into the Windows server via RDP. First of all, open Registry Editor with administrator rights. Click Start button and go to Run. Open CMD, Command Prompt. Type the command. Move to Do Not Allow Clipboard Redirection Policy by folder level as follows. Computer Configuration. Administrative Templates. Windows Components. Remote Desktop Services. Remote Desktop Session Hosts. Device and Resource Redirection. Do not allow clipboard redirection. Right-click then select Edit. Enable the feature that does not allow using the clipboard to copy/paste on remote desktop connection. Update the policy again. Open CMD, Command Prompt, type the command. Now when the user logs off and logs back in, the ability to copy/paste via remote desktop connection will be disabled.